SAP PPM Portfolio and Project Management. Online
Introduction
to SAP PPM. SAP Portfolio and Project Management, SAP PPM, is a cloud-based solution designed to assist organizations in effectively managing their projects and portfolios. It offers a wide range of tools and features for portfolio management, project management, and resource management. Portfolio management. In the realm of portfolio management, SAP PPM empowers organizations to identify and prioritize their strategic goals. Choose the projects that align best with those objectives. Allocate resources to the most crucial projects. Monitor portfolio progress and make necessary adjustments. Project management. For project management, SAP PPM aids organizations in planning and scheduling their projects, assigning resources to specific tasks, tracking project progress and identifying potential risks, managing project costs effectively, facilitating communication with stakeholders involved in the projects. Resource management. SAP PPM also plays a significant role in resource management by helping organizations to identify and keep track of available resources, allocate these resources to various projects, monitor resource utilization to ensure optimal efficiency, manage and resolve resource conflicts as they arise. One of the notable strengths of SAP PPM is its integration with SAP S/4HANA, which grants access to real-time data pertaining to enterprise resources and processes. This integration provides users with a comprehensive view of their portfolios, projects, and resource allocations. Benefits of SAP PPM. SAP PPM delivers several advantages to organizations, including enhanced visibility and control over portfolios, projects, and resources, informed decision-making through real-time data and analytics, mitigation of risks and prevention of delays, increased operational efficiency and productivity, improved communication and collaboration among project stakeholders. Features of SAP PPM. SAP PPM, or SAP Portfolio and Project Management, is a comprehensive software suite designed to assist organizations of all sizes in effectively managing their projects, programs, and portfolios. It offers a diverse range of capabilities, including portfolio management. SAP PPM aids organizations in aligning their portfolios with their broader business strategy. It provides a centralized view of all projects and programs, including their associated costs, risks, and benefits. This enables organizations to make informed decisions regarding project investments and prioritization. Project management. SAP PPM offers an extensive toolkit for managing projects of varying sizes and complexities. This includes functionalities for task planning, scheduling, resource allocation, risk management, and progress tracking. Resource management. SAP PPM facilitates the optimization of resource utilization within organizations. It presents a centralized perspective on all available resources, along with their skills and experience. This helps in identifying the most suitable resources for each project while preventing overallocation. Commercial project management. SAP PPM provides tools for the management of commercial projects. This encompasses features for contract management, invoicing, and revenue recognition. Alongside these core functionalities, SAP PPM also incorporates several additional features, including collaboration and communication tools. SAP PPM furnishes a variety of tools to promote collaboration and communication among team members. These tools encompass discussion forums, shared calendars, and task notifications. Reporting and analytics. SAP PPM supplies a diverse array of reports and dashboards that offer organizations valuable insights into their portfolios, projects, and resources. This information is instrumental in enhancing decision-making and identifying areas for improvement. Integration with other SAP solutions. SAP PPM seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions, such as SAP S/4HANA and SAP ERP. This integration enables data sharing between systems and streamlines various business processes. Uses of SAP PPM. SAP Enterprise Portfolio and Project Management. SAP PPM is a comprehensive solution that aids organizations, regardless of their size, in effectively managing their projects and portfolios. It serves as a unified platform for aligning portfolios with the business strategy, planning and executing projects, and monitoring performance. SAP PPM serves several critical purposes. Portfolio management, SAP PPM facilitates the identification, selection, and prioritization of projects that warrant investment. It offers tools for evaluating project risk, value, and alignment with strategic objectives. Project execution, the solution supports the entire project lifecycle, from planning and initiation to execution, monitoring, and closure. It provides tools for managing project tasks, resources, costs, and schedules. Performance monitoring, SAP PPM delivers real-time insights into project and portfolio performance. This data helps in early issue identification and resolution, as well as making informed decisions regarding resource allocation and project priorities. Enhanced alignment with business strategy, SAP PPM ensures that project portfolios are in sync with overall business goals, leading to improved investment decisions and better business outcomes. Increased efficiency and productivity, automation of manual project and portfolio management tasks liberates staff to concentrate on more strategic activities. Reduced costs and risks, early identification and mitigation of project risks, along with optimized resource allocation, result in significant cost savings and enhanced project success rates. Enhanced visibility and control, SAP PPM provides a unified platform for overseeing all aspects of the project and portfolio lifecycle. This heightened visibility empowers organizations to make well-informed decisions. Instances of SAP PPM application by different organizations. Manufacturing company utilizes SAP PPM to manage its product development process, aiding in the selection of products for development and tracking development project progress. Construction company manages capital projects with SAP PPM, ensuring projects are planned and executed within stipulated timelines and budgets. IT company leverages SAP PPM for managing software development projects, overseeing project progress, risk identification and mitigation, and alignment with business goals. Healthcare organization employs SAP PPM for managing clinical trials, enabling the tracking of trial progress, ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements, and facilitating participant recruitment and management. What is SAP PPM? SAP Portfolio and Project Management, PPM, is a software solution developed by SAP to assist organizations in effectively managing their project and portfolio investments. This software offers a centralized platform for planning, executing, and monitoring projects across the entire enterprise. SAP PPM is versatile and can be applied to oversee a broad spectrum of projects, including new product development, managing projects related to the creation of new products, IT systems implementation, ensuring the successful implementation of information technology systems, capital projects, overseeing investments in capital-intensive projects, operational improvement projects, enhancing and optimizing existing operations, mergers and acquisitions, managing the complexities of mergers and acquisitions. SAP PPM provides several key features that empower organizations to enhance their project and portfolio management. Portfolio management, it equips users with tools for project prioritization, project selection, resource allocation, and tracking project progress. Project management, SAP PPM enables effective planning, scheduling, budgeting, and tracking of project costs and resources. Resource management, this feature helps organizations in identifying and allocating the appropriate resources to their projects. Risk management, SAP PPM supports organizations in identifying and mitigating risks associated with their projects. Reporting and analytics, the software provides a variety of reports and dashboards to facilitate project and portfolio performance tracking. SAP PPM operates as a cloud-based solution, ensuring accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. Moreover, it seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions like SAP ERP and SAP CRM, which aids organizations in streamlining their business processes. The advantages of implementing SAP PPM include enhanced visibility and control. Organizations gain better oversight and management of their projects and portfolios. Increased efficiency and productivity. The software contributes to improved work efficiency and productivity. Reduced risk. By identifying and addressing potential risks, SAP PPM helps reduce the chances of project setbacks. Improved decision-making. Access to real-time data and analytics supports more informed decision-making. Increased return on investment. ROI. By managing projects and portfolios more effectively, organizations can realize a higher return on their investments. Is learning SAP PPM useful? Certainly, learning SAP PPM can be highly advantageous for various reasons. SAP PPM serves as a robust tool for portfolio and project management. It aids organizations in aligning their strategic objectives with their project investments, monitoring progress and performance, and facilitating more informed decisions regarding resource allocation. Moreover, SAP PPM is extensively utilized across businesses of all sizes, creating a strong demand for skilled SAP PPM professionals. Learning SAP PPM can significantly enhance your project management skills. It equips you with a comprehensive suite of tools and features for more efficient project planning, execution, and management. Here are specific ways in which learning SAP PPM can prove to be beneficial. Enhanced project management abilities. SAP PPM offers features that enable the simultaneous tracking and management of multiple projects, including resource allocation, risk management, and reporting. This is particularly valuable for handling complex projects effectively. You can improve your ability to manage complex projects. SAP PPM provides a number of features that can help you to track and manage multiple projects simultaneously, including resource allocation, risk management, and reporting. You can make better decisions about how to allocate resources. SAP PPM provides you with real-time data on project status and performance, which can help you to identify and address potential problems early on. You can improve your communication with stakeholders. SAP PPM provides a central platform for you to share project information with stakeholders, including progress reports, budgets, and schedules. You can increase your chances of project success. By using SAP PPM to effectively manage your projects, you can increase your chances of meeting your goals and objectives. Overall, learning SAP PPM can be a valuable investment for anyone who wants to improve their project management skills and advance their career in this field. Why choose SAP PPM? Robust functionality. SAP PPM offers a comprehensive suite of tools for portfolio management, project management, resource management, and collaboration. This empowers organizations to efficiently oversee their projects and portfolios. Flexibility and scalability. SAP PPM is adaptable to the requirements of organizations, regardless of their size or industry. It can be deployed on-premises or in the cloud and seamlessly integrated with other SAP and third-party systems. Ease of use. SAP PPM is known for its user-friendly interface. It provides a centralized dashboard where users can access all project and portfolio information from a single location. Strong support. SAP offers a robust support system for SAP PPM, encompassing training, consulting, and implementation services. Improved visibility and transparency. SAP PPM offers a unified view of all projects and portfolios, enhancing tracking capabilities, risk assessment, and decision-making. Increased efficiency. Many manual tasks, such as project scheduling, resource allocation, and reporting, can be automated through SAP PPM, allowing project managers and team members to concentrate on strategic activities. Reduced costs. SAP PPM streamlines processes, eliminates waste, and enhances efficiency, ultimately leading to cost reduction. Enhanced collaboration. The platform facilitates collaboration among project teams, enabling them to work together on tasks, share files, and communicate effectively, resulting in improved project outcomes and risk reduction. SAP PPM is a versatile and potent solution, offering a wide range of features, adaptability, scalability, user-friendliness, and robust support. Here are some instances of how organizations are leveraging SAP PPM to attain their objectives. Advantages of SAP PPM Online Training. Convenience. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace, on your own time, from anywhere in the world. You can start and stop the training as needed, and review material as many times as you like. Affordability. Online training is often more affordable than classroom-based training, as there are no travel or accommodation costs involved. Flexibility. Online training allows you to fit your training around your work and personal commitments. You can learn during your lunch break, in the evenings, or on weekends. Interactivity. Online training often includes interactive features such as quizzes, simulations, and discussion forums. This can help you to learn more effectively and retain information better. Personalization. Online training can be tailored to your individual needs and learning style. You can choose to focus on the areas that are most relevant to you, and you can learn at your own pace. In addition to these general advantages, SAP PPM Online Training also offers a number of specific benefits, such as access to experienced trainers. Online training courses are often taught by experienced SAP PPM trainers who can provide you with the latest information and best practices. Real-world examples and case studies. Online training courses often include real-world examples and case studies to help you to understand how SAP PPM is used in different industries and organizations. Hands-on experience. Online training courses often include hands-on exercises and simulations so that you can gain practical experience with SAP PPM. Certification preparation. Many online training courses prepare you for the SAP PPM certification exams. Career opportunities in SAP PPM. SAP PPM Consultant. SAP PPM consultants help organizations implement, configure, and customize SAP PPM solutions. They also provide training and support to users. SAP PPM Business Analyst. SAP PPM business analysts work with clients to understand their business needs and develop PPM solutions that meet those needs. They also help clients to implement and use SAP PPM solutions effectively. SAP PPM Developer. SAP PPM developers develop and maintain SAP PPM software. They also work to create new features and functionality for SAP PPM solutions. SAP PPM Project Manager. SAP PPM project managers use SAP PPM solutions to manage their projects. They are responsible for planning, executing, and monitoring projects, as well as managing resources and risks. SAP PPM Support Engineer. SAP PPM support engineers provide technical support to SAP PPM users. They troubleshoot problems and help users to resolve issues. In addition to these specific roles, there are also many other career opportunities in SAP PPM. For example, SAP PPM skills can be valuable in roles such as Program Manager, Portfolio Manager, Project Management Office, PMO, Manager, IT Manager, Business Process Analyst, Data Analyst, Quality Assurance, QA, Engineer. Salary expectation in SAP PPM. The salary expectation for SAP PPM consultants in India varies depending on their experience, skills, and the company they work for. According to Ambition Box, the average salary for SAP PPM consultants in India is 12.1 Indian rupees lakhs per year. The salary range for SAP PPM consultants in India is 6.7 Indian rupees lakhs to 30 Indian rupees lakhs per year. Here is a breakdown of the average salary for SAP PPM consultants in India by experience. Entry level, 0 to 3 years of experience, 9.2 Indian rupees lakhs per year. Mid-career, 4 to 9 years of experience, 10.7 Indian rupees lakhs per year. Experienced, 10 to 20 years of experience, 29.9 Indian rupees lakhs per year. The top paying industries for SAP PPM consultants in India are IT services, consulting, and manufacturing. The top paying cities for SAP PPM consultants in India are Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP PPM Online Training? Experienced and certified trainers. Proexcellency's trainers are highly experienced and certified SAP professionals with years of industry experience. They are passionate about teaching and have a proven track record of success in helping students learn and master SAP PPM. Comprehensive curriculum. Proexcellency's SAP PPM online training curriculum is comprehensive and covers all aspects of the SAP PPM process, from project planning and budgeting to execution, monitoring, and control. The curriculum is regularly updated to reflect the latest changes and developments in SAP PPM. Flexible training options. Proexcellency offers a variety of flexible training options to meet the needs of different students. Students can choose to attend live online training sessions, self-paced online training courses, or a combination of both. Affordable pricing. Proexcellency's SAP PPM online training is very affordable, especially when compared to the cost of traditional in-person training. Proexcellency also offers a variety of discounts and payment plans to make training even more affordable. Thank you.